Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make ready-made pancakes easy guide. Start by measuring your mix and liquids accurately and preheating a skillet to medium heat. Combine ingredients gently to avoid overmixing and let the batter rest briefly. Use a 1/4 cup scoop for even pancakes and cook until bubbles form, then flip once and finish until golden brown and cooked through. Heat your skillet steadily and maintain medium heat for an even cook and nice browning. Use a 1/4 cup measure to pour batter and avoid overcrowding the pan. Watch for bubbles on the surface and slightly set edges before flipping carefully. Cook the second side until golden and springy, then transfer to a plate and keep warm until serving to preserve texture and temperature. Stack pancakes with a paper towel between layers to absorb steam and keep them fluffy. Offer a variety of toppings like butter, maple syrup, fruit, or yogurt to suit different tastes. If serving later, freeze extras flat and reheat in a toaster or oven for best texture. Enjoy flexible serving options for breakfast or snacks and adjust toppings to make each plate feel special and satisfying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.